how to propagate uncertainty if you are dividing. As we discussed in the last video, for multiplication, we follow the same rule for division also. And the rule says that add fractional or percentage uncertainty. Don't add absolute directly, add fractional or percentage uncertainty. It's the same rule as we use for multiplication, and we use the same for division as well. Let us start with an example. Let us suppose I have a physical quantity A as this 0.10 plus minus 0.1, and another physical quantity B as, let us say, 100 plus minus 0.1. Okay, I want to find out C, and C depends on A and B as this, that C is the product of A and B. So I want to find out C and the absolute uncertainty in C. Now how do we do that? To find out C, it is quite simple. I will just multiply the original values. I will multiply 10 and 100. So I do that and I get 1000. That's the value of C. Now to find out the absolute uncertainty in C, please don't do this mistake. Please don't do 0.1, 0.1 as 0.2. Hell nah. Because we don't add absolute uncertainty directly. Okay, here they will give you unit also. I'm not writing any unit, so I'm just writing unit. That's how you know it is absolute uncertainty. Okay, so we don't directly add. Rather, what we add over here is the fractional or percentage uncertainty. Now, C depends on A and B. So, the fractional uncertainty of C will be the sum of the fractional uncertainty in A and the fractional uncertainty in B. Okay, now if I put the values over here, let us see what do I get. So, delta C over C I have already calculated is 1000, should be equal to delta A, which is 0.1 divided by A is 10, plus delta B is 0.1 divided by B, which is 100. Okay, so if I solve it, I get 1000 equals 0.01 plus 0.001. My bad, I said 001 and wrote 0. 0 point, oh yeah, I wrote it correct. 001. Okay, cool. Now if I add it, I get delta C equals, delta C over 1000 equals 0.011. Okay, and now to find out delta C, I'll send this 1000 there. So delta C, which is the absolute uncertainty in C, will become times 1000. So it comes out to be 11. Now, so I got C as 1000 and delta C as 11. Now let us write it finally. Finally, how do we write it? Again, now we follow the same rule. Our absolute uncertainty must be rounded off to 1 sig fig. Okay, but 11 has 2 sig fig, so I'll round it to 1 sig fig as 10. So it will become 10. Okay, now my uncertainty is 10. The second thing I will check is the precision. Precision means I'll check the decimal point. Is there any decimal points with 10? No, it's not 10.0, it's just 10. So my main value should also come with no decimal points, no decimal places. Okay, so the final answer has to be this. I hope you understood.